Let's work with the example on producer surplus and consumer surplus. You can pause the video to see the formulas. And in general, I want you to know the definitions and the ideas behind these definitions, but also how to memorize formulas. So let's look here. I like this idea of how to memorize that consumer surplus is willing to pay comes first. And that is this piece in the integral minus p, that's the price. And this is the formula we give you, so remember this. Now PS, which is producer surplus, is P minus willing to spend, which is WS in some books or sometimes WTS. So it's P minus this equation we give you, supply equation. So demand equation minus P or P minus supply equation. Both are inside of the integrals and both are from 0 to Q bar, which you either have or you need to find. Okay, here's a very classical example. Calculate the producer surplus for the supply equation with the given price. Equation is given, price is given, P bar equals 18. First, I know that they want me to find PS. So step 1, let's write down the formula before I forgot the formula. And the formula for this, for both, are integral from 0 to Q. And then I remember that CS has the equation first minus P, but PS has P minus the equation. And that equation is already given. So P bar minus this equation 7 plus 2P, no, Q to the 1/3 dq. Now let's check what is missing. So we have this is given. From the formula it's called S at Q, the supply equation. Now P is given, that is 18. Q bar is not given, so we need to find that. And that is the first step after you remember what formula looks like. Plug P equals 18 to the left hand side of the equation. For P, 7 plus 2, Q to the 1/3, and that will be not Q anymore, that will be Q bar. Solve this equation, so that's not minus, that is Q bar. You need to isolate Q, so do it step by step. Minus 7 gives you 11 equals 2, Q bar to the 1/3. I put parentheses so you don't think it's minus 1/3. Divide by 2. Give us 11 over 2 equals Q bar to the 1/3. Raise both sides to the third power. 11 over 2 cube equals Q bar. Put this in the box. That is going to be part of the integral. That's the upper limit of integration. Final step is actually write down the integral and integrate it. So which one we're looking, CS or PS? Producer surplus PS is integral from 0 to Q bar, so it's 11 over 2 cubed. P, which was given 18 minus, open parentheses, and write down that formula we gave you, or you were given, which is 7 plus 2 Q to the 1/3 dq. Carefully distribute the negative sign and then integrate. From 0 to 11 halves cube, 11 plus, not plus, minus, because negative sign need to be distributed, 2 cube to the 1/3 dq equals 11 gives you 11q minus 2 times q 1/3 plus 3/3 gives you 4/3 divided by 4/3 bar from 0 to 11 halves cubed. Plug in, simplify 11 times 11 over 2 cubed minus 2 times 3/4 q, not q, we're going to plug q. So it's going to be 11 over 2 cubed and to the 4/3. So don't forget this part. Now, let's simplify more. Technically speaking, I can already plug it into calculator and figure out what it is, but I will collect 11s to the 4 over 2 to the cube, which is 8, minus 2 and 4, that is 1/2, so it's 3 halves, and then 11 over 2. These two exponents have to be multiplied based on the properties of exponents. So 1/3 cancels out with 3 and gives you 4. This is the final exact answer. And then if we are asking you to find approximate answer, I actually have it in front of me. So exact one, I also have it 14641 all over 32, that's a common denominator, which is approximately $457.53. And that is the final answer. In the other video, let's do example with consumer surplus. Good job for watching.